Yay! Hi, let me show you guys how to make a perfect Hainanese chicken rice using a trussing method. It's so good and easy. You need to try this dish at least once in your life. So let's go!
Yeah.
But first thing first, make sure you're wearing the right clothes if you're in the kitchen learning. If you use the kitchen at home, wear a comfortable clothes, and most importantly, is safe. So in the kitchen learning, all you need are safety boots, proper chef attire, name tag, so it's easy to know your name. Don't forget to wash your hand first before starting to do anything. As usual, your personality is the first impression. Your apron, having 3 clean clothes is important. Last part, fix your friend clothes too.
Now, to cook Hainanese chicken rice, we need soy sauce, sesame oil, ginger, yellow onion, rice, chili, leeks, soup leaves, chicken stock cube, calamansi lime, turmeric, pandan leaves, tomatoes, cucumber, sesame seeds, and most importantly, chicken and twine. So, here we go!
A few moments later.
Poultry are domesticated birds kept by humans for their eggs, their meat, or their feathers. These birds are most typically members of the superorder Gallidae, which is 4, and especially the order Galliformes, which includes chickens, quails, and turkeys. The term also includes birds that are killed for their meat, such as the young of pigeons known as quails, but does not include similar wild birds hunted for sport or food and known as a game.
Trussing a chicken or any other birds ensure that the legs and wings are firmly fastened against the body. This helps the chicken maintain its shape and cook evenly without drying out any of the extremities. Why we choose a chicken of trussing method? Because it is easily available and often used to everyone to cook. And the shape of the chicken is easier to see the breast of the chicken compared to the other poultry. Here the simple modern way. First step is 3 goes right down the center of the back. Step, put it forwards and do as a little armpits and then cross it around the front. Across the string in front of the breast, there's no convenient skin over, and we want more crispy skin evenly as possible all over my breast. So, I'm going to make sure it stays there just like that. Next, pull the chicken back and then you cross them. You want to make sure this is just under the ground here. Pull it nice and tight. So next, continue with the underlegs. It's come around the back of the legs here. And then I'm going to across it again. Also you start on the calf perky, so I am actually wrapping around the knees. Lastly, flip them over cross once, twice, 3 times. That way it doesn't slip trick. It makes sure that our birds is nice and pretty.
Oh my god! Wow!
First step, place the chicken breast up. Second, tuck the first joint of the wings behind the back. Then, press the legs forward and down against the body. After that, pass the center of a length of twine under the hip bone just ahead of the tail. Then, bring the twine up and across the ends of the legs. Pass the twine under the ends of the legs as shown and pull tight. Bring the ends of the twine toward the neck end of the bird. The last step, tie the twine tightly.
Sedap tak?